This is the lock. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today we are gonna do a different kind of video. So we are not going anywhere. In our last video, we were in Bali, but in this video, we are going to Ikea. We're going to buy a few items there. So why are we going to Ikea? We're going to build or make our bedroom into a cute little home theater. So what we're gonna buy is one, a wall shelf. It will be used for the projector that we bought online. I'm gonna show it to you later. And then we also might buy this table, coffee table. You can use it for working. I'll show it to you later. Han, I challenge you 1 hour lang tayo dito.
That's easy. Challenge.
Okay, let's go. Drinks are not allowed inside. Okay, so we are skipping the showroom and we went straight to the warehouse. Time check. 2:23. This is the lock floating shelf. Medyo mabigat. Discounted price. Time check, 3:23. Yay! We're done shopping. Good job, ah. Wow.
We made it.
Amazing. Okay, let's go home.
The bubble.
The bubble.
Is in the center. Let's screw it up. Time a screw. Oh no. Isa na.
Okay, so now we are unboxing the Ikea Olseröd coffee table. So this is the top of the coffee table. Let's put it here first. And there the legs of the coffee table. Should look like this. Last one. Okay, done. All we just have to do is put this up. Put this thing over here. Ta-da! Now you can put your remote control over here and work here while you watch TV. Your couch.